Is considering making cuts when it comes to distributing Narcan and Narcan training to first responders. 12 News' Brian Melanson spoke with local health officials about how this could impact those that Narcan helps the most in Broome County.
I would rather Narcan somebody 50 times than attend their funeral.
Narcan is a life-saving nasal spray that can reverse the effects of an overdose and often save someone's life. Marissa Knapp is no stranger to the life-saving capabilities of the medication over the last year.
In Broome County, we have seen a decrease 64% suspected fatal overdoses and about 55% non-fatal overdoses.
When she learned that the Trump administration and RFK's Department of Health and Human Services proposed cutting programs that make Narcan available to communities and train first responders to use it, she knew that lives could be put on the line.
The only thing Narcan's going to do is save someone's life. So decreasing it or not having it available in our community really could mean that we could lose more of our community members.
Kathy Staple with Truth Farm says cutting EMS's training and access to Narcan is irresponsible.
Yeah, it puts another barrier in place that didn't exist. You're just making their jobs harder, their lives harder, and responses for folks who need the life-saving medication unavailable, perhaps.
As a mother, Staples says that the opioid crisis is not only affecting those who suffer from substance abuse.
Teenagers have this knack for trying things even when you tell them not to. As a mom of teenagers who are now adults, I would hate that one, not well-executed plan on my teenager's part ended up with me having to plan their funeral.
Nearly 80,000 people a year die from an opioid-related overdose, according to the Center for Disease Control. Knapp and Staple indicated that these numbers would only increase by cutting Narcan distribution across the country. Narcan kits like this one can be found in these and the lock boxes throughout the county, but with these proposed cuts, emergency responders might find themselves shorthanded in an emergency situation. Reporting in Binghamton, Brian Melanson, 12 News.